taught us.
Taught us? Yeah, the manual, we don't have a problem. Look.
It's gonna go off soon.
Oh, well, at least it is now.
People are cutting in front of us.
Yeah, because we're doing 20 in an 80 zone. So, Simon just decided to take a poo at my feet, and I picked him up and all the poo just fell out. Thanks, Simon.
Because she wanted to pass it to me.
Thanks. So much fun travelling with animals. Simon's just vomited.
No, my headband! It's got vomit on it!
We're all set up.
Yeah, because Hank and Ted want to have another Ted.
Look at this. It's just epic. What do you guys think? What do you think?
It is amazing. First of all, I love this dog. I think named Buddy, and the motorbike track is massive. There's cows, there's horse, and one horse pretends to be cows. Oh no, do not go near alpacas. The lady one will sit near it, and then the male will be like
spit at you.
Yeah, I know.
What do you think, Ace? Are you excited to go motorbike riding tomorrow?
Yeah. Well, why is there eagles?
Because we're in the outback, mate. That's where they come from.
I know what the motorbike is.
Motorbike day today. Woohoo! It's all about safety for Josh. Oh, you nearly came off that. Woo woo! It's motorbike day! You ready to ride?
For you, this darling.
Yeah, and you?
Yeah.
Probably doesn't help you got no motorbike boots on.
Ready to go, darling?
I am.
I'll gear it up.
Got a lovely husband. Make sure it's ready for me.
Look, kids are gone. Break. You don't need to hold that in. Down first, yep. And then it's all up from there. On off you go. Bit of rev. There you go, that's it. And that was the last time we ever saw her.
Want to hear some of that techno music?
Yeah, what do you think of this place, Jade?
I like this place. It's cool.
She's found a good spot, I think. Bit dry.
Don't fill your head with things and think you're free. I can smell the fear, I think you made it clear. Yeah, I could be rude, be in a mood, I could be rotten. I could be cool, mind like a fool, but never forgotten. Creeping in the dark, waiting for you. You won't like what you see. Yeah, I feel like a monster, and I'm just here to haunt you.
Ted, Ted, Ted. Ted, come on. That duck's coming for you now. Come on, Ted. Alrighty, Layla. Show me what you got. Go, guys.
Shower time for the dogs. They decided to go swimming in the dam.
Look at him, he's got dreads. It's all dried underneath him.
Ooh.
Lovely jubbly.
Yuck, Ted. Shower time, Teddy. Ooh, look at it.
It's all knotted underneath. It's coming out though. So this is what it's like to be living the life of luxury.
Oh, Ted! Pimper!
And I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down.
Very happy there. Is that nice? Oh.
Yeah, I can't wait to roll in it tomorrow.
He's like, you wait and see what I do in the morning. You think you can keep me clean? Which is like 16 minutes from where we are in Castle Rock, and it's meant to be the pub to get a good feed.
I'm hoping it's really nice. I love horses. Yeah! They got their you guys are so weird. Hello, little one. Can we jump the fence?
Jade can't handle the heat. She wants to set the Jenny up so she can put the aircon on because she's big girls blows. Hey Jade, do you want to set the aircon on for tonight?
Yes, I do. Can you put the Jenny on, please?
Oh, I can do that. Alrighty, so Jade's working again. So we're all going to go and empty the toilet. There's a pretty cool part down there as well, isn't there? so we're going to go and check that out and just get out of Jade's hair for a little bit.
Ace. Push me, Dad.
This is a cool park. Comes out of nowhere, doesn't it?
Yeah. That'd be cool.
Look, Ace. You got trampolines.
A trampoline.
I think. Oh, it is. He's actually gone all the way to the top. Oh, there he is.
I'm going down.
I thought you went all the way to the top then, Arch.
Yeah, I already went.
Oh, I didn't even see you.
I'm going all the way up to the trampoline. Wait, Dad. The GoPro. I'm taking them up to the top.
All right.
Our GoPro's good. Come on, guys. You coming with me? Okay. Okay. Nice. Want me to come with you? Definitely my pants. See? Are good. Yeah, they're good. Go. 3, 2, 1. Woo! Woo! Ow! 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 Ow, that hurt. I fell over. It like flips. It like turns so sharp. Hey, so let's go into the other one.
I think he likes you.
And Tot, look. That's the horn.
Big horns.
Boy. See? Dad, can you lead him next to our house so I can keep him patting him?
Just pat him now.
But I want to lead him to our house. He's a good boy, aren't you? No one even loves him, and he thinks he's the boss.
Is he the boss?
He's the boss.
I didn't know he was the boss. He's got a big horns, hasn't he?
Yeah, he's a good horn. Just don't be naughty to him. He's a very, very good boy, aren't you? Yeah. The dogs were barking at him.
Yeah, I
Make
know.
him lead him away. And the dog doesn't like it.
I think the other cows are scared of you, aren't they?
No, those cows can butt head you. But
Can they?
this cow can only never headbutt you. Right.
I've not got nothing for you, big man.
Cow! Face the camera! Yeah, I try to make him face the camera.
He's alright. I think he's just hungry eating all the grass, do you not think?
Yeah. Did you see that?
He looks a bit like you.
No. Yeah. I love horn cows.
Alright, come on then, Ace. Let's go and clean your bike up.
Okay, bye. Can I help you?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay. Bye, cow. I'll catch you after.
Oh, wow.
This is once in a lifetime. Maybe. It's one thing to
What? Show me, Ace.
You'll get whipped up into a frenzy and
I don't even think they're savable, are they?
Yeah, it comes all off.
You signed to keep it in.
I just told him you may as well just go barefoot, lad.
It's them I don't trust.
It all comes off.
Ace. Oh look.
Why on earth do you want to go
Oh
so
It's like a weight,
wow. Alrighty.
He'll need you to protect himself from falling.
Yeah, that's right. I'll fall on top of you. One minute, dude.
Oh,
One, I don't want to fall over. What are you going on about? Oh, why, Jade? I would have carried him over. Goofus, you have that dog. Goofus. Do you want help too, Ted? Would you like me to carry you over? Come on, Ted.
Even the dogs don't want to get mud.
Go on.
Don't want to get muddy.
Oh, I'm getting slippery. I'd just go forward and then just try and hook it. Or just can't try and reverse back. Give it a whirl. Reverse back if you want.
No, I'm just driving forward.
Alright, no worries. Let me move the waist strap. Why did you go into that, you spastic? Oh, it's got a, that's good. Must have rammed into that, but you know.
Do you want to help? It might go now. What are you doing?
Huh?
Do you want me to come up the top?
You should have just got 2 ramps instead of 1. I could be walking across it. If you need to let go, I'm going to balance it. All I want you to do is get the handlebars and just guide me.
Okay.
So you've got to grab the clutch as I push. So you don't need to hold the brake. Go on.
The clutch that
That
side?
clutch is that side, left. That side.
Oh, this side.
Yeah. Now I'm coming.
Hang on here.
It's alright, shimmy back. You don't need to be fast. 1 minute. I'm going to start walking up now, yeah?
Yeah.
That wasn't too bad, was it?
No. Can we just get it?
Yeah, I'm
all-
going to get a bit
all
more
the way
push. Alright. I'm the one who's on the tip edge of it, don't you worry. Cheers, Dan. I'll wash your thongs again for you.
We did it.
Oh yeah, we had to do it. Oh, well, no, we'll just leave the bag here. Okay, we don't need it anymore.
Really regretting our life choices bringing bikes.
Nah.
Oh my god.
Okay, I enjoy doing it.
Okay.
Right, Jade, you're going to have to walk
Right.
off out of the way.
Goodbye, Castle Rock. Now we're just gonna go get our van out. That's gonna be fun.
Now we're all packed up and ready to go. Let's see if Jake can get us out of this one, eh? Slippery and sliding. Alright, down, off we go. Go, go, go! Yes! Yes! Yeah. How good is that? I probably wouldn't have got it. Damn straight. Oh, what a muddy mess. Don't let it put you off coming to here though, it's awesome. Just make sure you plan around the weather. High five, darling.
I didn't want to be digging for a while. God, that was the hardest high five.
Oh, you wussy. Alright.
Unlock the wheels.
Yeah. Have you put it in back in high? Top 4-wheel drive off? You don't need that on now. Put it in neutral. Yeah. Much better. Rocking and rolling, baby. Be quiet, dogs.
How are you feeling? How are you feeling now? When all the pieces seem like they can't be found, I'll be the friend that is standing there. I'll be the hand holding all your cares. I see you now, I'm not going anywhere. We'll find our way back home. We'll find our way back home. No, we'll never have to walk alone. We'll find our way back home. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. We'll find our way back home. Not gonna step back, not gonna step back now. We're flying higher, we're gonna reach the clouds.